Lightning, go quick, lightning.
Is there a light on here? Let's see, menu. It says no flash. Okay, how do I get flash? I want flash, damn it.
I haven't seen the lightning.
I don't know, but there's hockey. It exists. We're watching it. I'm watching it on my video camera on my computer.
Whoa.
This is technology.
Oh, lightning!
Oh, damn it! I missed it. There was a. Oh,
That's a car.
that was a car. There it goes. Go, flash lightning. Flash. Ah. Dun, 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 dun. Flash. Ah. Woo! I don't know if I got it or not. I was watching that instead of this.
Now you can also guarantee there's one website that's in the thick of it with big stories.
Oh, I'm almost out of battery.
ESPNScrum.com. Total Rugby. Guaranteed.
Total Rugby.
The land of dreams.
Ah. You're just a big shadow. I can see your glass, and that's about it.
See this glass? Thank you, Sarah Scott.
The only thing you left behind that was yours. And she stole all of our stuff. She's awesome. Best roommate ever. There's another car. This is what Park Avenue in Rochester looks like on a Wednesday night. Some more cars, there's some people. Oh, I missed it! There's more flash lightning. Flash! Ah. It's a Queen song that they wrote for the movie Flash Gordon. No, Flash Gordon, it's about a superhero. Yeah. First there was nothing but made a storm. I don't really know. Oh, what a feeling!
Oh, that's a good one.
Please believe it. I can't have it. This video sucks. Because I can't see anything. It's too dark. We better not have any fun moments in the dark.
In the dark. Like,
I missed it. Every fucking time. Well, officially can't show my parents this video.
censor it.
I could. I just beep it out. They'd have no idea. I swear on the phone with my mom once in a while. Like if I'm driving and I hit a curb, for example, I'll say, oh shit! And I'm gonna go, oh, I'm sorry, Mom.
Yeah, things come out when I'm driving.
I don't mean to.
One time a guy pulled up on me and I was like, what the fuck?
Good.
I beat my horn. Cause it was bad judgment.
Yeah. I had an old man do that to me once. I didn't beep it in though because I felt bad because he was old. Yeah. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm getting it or not. I'm not paying attention. Okay, I just need to watch my screen.
Oh,
No, I'm not. I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it at all. Why is my life suck so much?
I wish we could do the Weather Channel. An hour of lightning watch.
With my tiny HD camera. And you can't even see us.
Trust us, folks.
It is a nice camera. It's just really dark out. Flash. Ah. It's something like, I think I might have missed it. Again, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's showing up on my camera.
Why is it shifting away?
king of the universe. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh,
Dun, 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 dun.
cooler.
Dun, 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 dun. You would think I would have been drinking, but I haven't, and neither has she. Over there.
I've had 2 cups of coffee since my sickness. I've
Wow.
lost my taste for it.
Good.
And food still tastes, I can't taste food.
Oh, this is weird. It was like turning gray for a second. Oh, that's not good. You can't taste food.
Yeah, it's not fully.
It's coming back.
Yeah, slowly.
Well, that's good.
It was the weirdest thing when I couldn't taste anything, just feel the texture. Like,
Uh-huh.
I just couldn't, it was so gross.
Huh. Is that a symptom of mono?
I have no idea.
Ooh, Bruins got the penalty. Oh, yay. I mean, yay.
So little eyes are though. And my eyes were so
Mm-hmm.
It's a penalty right there on VXS, and the crowd reacting to what you just saw. Again, the flopping of the
I
head.
feel like I just felt a raindrop.
Vancouver's done it, Boston's done it, and for the officials,
Head.
what's a real call? This has gone on too long. Power play.
some brothers.
You're into Broadway? It was Mamma Mia sitting right up.
That's who you have, right?
What?
Gavin DeGraw.
Yeah.
The other one?
Gavin DeGraw, some Nora Jones, Elvis Presley if he's interested. I have a feeling he plays like Matchbox 20. Or some bullshit like that. I'm really into Rob Thomas. He's such an artist. Well, this lightning watch is very unsuccessful.
It was there, folks.
I have to rewatch this video to see if I actually captured any. So I'm not sure I did. But whose legs are those? I can't even see them. Okay, good.